Welcome back to Slate Bites. In today's video, we're going to be using sequential value groups to query on consecutive years giving. We'll begin by creating a new person base query. Next, we'll add a dependent subquery and join to sequential value groups. Within this join, add an additional subquery join to gifts. Next, add an export of gift date. This will tell the query that the sequential values group that we want to look at is gift date. It is important that we click into our gift date and adjust our format type. You may choose to use fiscal year. In this example, we're going to use date and use a 4-digit year format mask. When creating our export, we want to begin by following the same steps as we did for our filter. In order to see total number of consecutive years giving, we want to export our sequential value groups count. We may also want to see the first and last year of this sequence. To do so, we will select min and max. In order to see all three data points, I'm going to set my output to concatenate and add some literal values. When we preview our results, we can see several sequences of consecutive years giving. For example, this record has given 3 years in a row from 1907 to 1909 and 2 years in a row from 1982 to 1983, plus several single-year gifts. While this information is interesting, you may be more interested in seeing a minimum number of consecutive years giving as of recently. Let's take it a step further by narrowing to those who have given in the last 3 consecutive years but have not made a gift yet this year. First, let's add our count filter. This will allow us to narrow to only those who have given at least 3 years consecutively. Next, let's select our exports. We will select sequential value groups max as well as system current date. Be sure to adjust your date format to match your other fields. Since we want to see consecutive years giving as of last year, we will switch our aggregate to formula and enter the following. Sequential value groups max equals system current date minus 1. To recap, we have created a dependent subquery and joined to sequential values groups with an additional join to gifts, exporting gift date. We've narrowed only to those with greater than or equal to 3 consecutive years of giving and to those whose latest year of giving is equal to last year. As we can see, our list is now narrowed only to those who have given at least the past 3 years in a row, but not yet this year. That wraps up today's video. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe.